Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have a finish for you. This canvas was so much fun to work on. So let's have a look. Move this out of the way. This is, and some of you may have seen bits of this in progress before as I was working on it. This is Midnight Owl by Jeremiah Kettner from Diamond Art Club. As usual, it's impossible to get the whole thing on screen, but I will insert some photos anyway so that you can see the whole thing in one go. It is not a small canvas, but by no means the biggest one I've ever worked on. It is 51 by 64, so quite a manageable size. Let me see if I can move you out a little bit and you can maybe, there we go, we can get a little bit more in so you can see more of beautiful owl. So yeah, 51 by 64 centimeters. It is 32 colors plus 2 ABs. The ABs I will show you now are in, there's a green AB in this vine and the leaves, that sort of yellow green going around the outside. That is our green AB. And then we've got a lemony yellow AB in these big eyes, which hopefully you can see a little bit. Unfortunately, ABs never seem to show up particularly well on my camera. The camera seems to sort of correct for them. But I promise you, this is beautifully sparkly. Let me see if I can move. I don't know. It's difficult to show you. I never feel like this is a particularly good situation for showing off canvases. Also, I am filming this at night time, so there's no natural light in the room, and canvases always look their best in natural daylight. This canvas I completed for the Jeremiah Kettner DP Along, being run by Painting with Pitties. It runs for the whole of the month of January. I've really enjoyed taking part. Having a little nudge to get on and do this canvas was lovely, and yeah, really enjoyed seeing everybody else complete their canvases. There's really not a lot to say. I had originally planned to add some glow-in-the-dark drills into the moon and the stars. Unfortunately, I have misplaced them. I don't know what I've done with them. And so that didn't happen. I ummed and ahed about whether to buy more or whether to just get on and do it. But I thought, no, I'll complete the canvas as is. And yeah, then when I do my next Jeremiah Kettner, I will make changes to that one. But actually, I really like the way this has come out. It looks glowy. There's a luminescence to it, even though it doesn't glow. I think if Diamond Art Club were ever to rechart this, they should definitely consider adding glow-in-the-dark drills, because it's just the perfect canvas for it, with all these stars and the moon, and even the sort of the colours that they've chosen for the stars and the moon already kind of, they look like they glow. So but yeah, great canvas, no problem with the stick or the drills, everything was great quality. It was particularly nice to work on a canvas that had no 310. That's always a little bonus. In terms of drills, let's see what we've got. Something else I will just mention. People often ask what to do with the small stickers that come inside their Diamond Art Club canvases. Mine, I put on the drills so that I can find them without any problems. So I've got some diamond painted luggage tags, and then I just stick the sticker on. I'm then still able to peel that off and put it into my log book once the canvas is finished. But it does mean that if I've got several of these cases with diamonds in, I know exactly which one I need to go to for which canvas. Right, leftovers. What have we got? So many leftover yellow ABs. Yeah, there's half a pot there, easy, if not more. Less of the bright green AB, but then there's less in the whole canvas, and everything else, you know, there was nothing I ran out of. I think, have I got any extra bags of things? Yeah, not whole bags, but bag of the sort of half a bag of dark blue and half a bag of the sort of brighter blue. The, is that 303? 803? 803. Yeah, these are such great colours. I will definitely be keeping them. Obviously there's no issue with quality, and that means that they get to go into my spares and I can use them for the next project that comes along that might need a little bit of extra colour, jazzing up. These are just, yeah, so lovely. Real kind of candy store vibes. They are a real lovely mix. I described Jeremiah's art as being pastel tones, but these are what I would call deep pastels because they've still got that kind of essence of pastel shades, but there's something, it's like pastel shades but for nighttime. So yeah, really lovely. Just, you know, again, no, never going to run out of some of these colours. There was absolutely plenty provided. Yeah, Diamond Art Club knocked it out of the park again. And being able to do this as part of the event just adds to how much I enjoyed it, really. Should you wish to get this canvas, it is still available. As I say, it is £53 currently. However, if you've never purchased from Diamond Art Club before, I do have a code down in the description that you can use to get yourself $10 off your first canvas. And there are other Diamond Art Club offers always available, so it's definitely worth checking out because there are always offers on and available. But yeah, Jeremiah's artwork is all of this kind of kawaii pastel style, so if you've liked this, then I'm sure that you'll like the rest of his work as well. They constantly go in and out of stock, so I wouldn't hang around too long, but it doesn't look like they're going to stop selling his artwork anytime soon. So yeah, I just wanted to share this with you. Say thanks to Painting with Pitties for running the event. I've had the best time, and I'm now going to take a little bit of a break from diamond painting before jumping back in for my event on the 1st of February. If you're interested in seeing what I'm going to be completing for my event, then do go back and check out my live stream from Wednesday where I kitted up that canvas. So I'm going to leave this here. Please do remember to leave a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty! Bye.